How's it going, everybody? If you're watching this, it's because you're ready to sign up for BizMetrica and start sourcing for your Walmart Marketplace selling account using BizMetrica to help you make those sourcing decisions. So let's get started. The very first thing you're going to want to do is click on the sign up link in the description section below and use coupon code JOMAR20 at checkout. That's going to save you 20% off every single month. One very important thing to highlight here is that you must sign up with the Gmail account that is connected to your Google Chrome web browser account. And that's because BizMetrica is a Google Chrome software. Okay? So very simple but very important thing there. So step 2 is going to be confirm that you've signed up. Once you've successfully signed up with us at BizMetrica, you'll get a confirmation email, and that pretty much tells you that you now have access. You just need to set up the software. Okay? Step 3 is to download the plugin. So go into chromewebstore.google.com and search for BizMetrica. Once you found it, you'll select Add to Chrome. For me, it says Remove from Chrome because I'm already signed up. But if you're here for the first time, it'll say Add to Chrome. Simply just click Add to Chrome. After that, you're going to want to select the Extensions button. And you'll see a pin icon, and you'll see BizMetrica next to that. It doesn't show through this recording, but if you select the Extensions button, you'll see BizMetrica with a pin icon. So click on the pin next to BizMetrica, and what that's going to do is provide you with a shortcut on your browser for BizMetrica for easy access. And after that, you should be all set up and good to go. All right. Once you're on a Walmart Marketplace listing, the results for BizMetrica automatically generate, and you just want to give it a few moments for it to populate and generate. Okay? Just as a reminder, or as a refresher, I should say, some of the key points you'll get is item ID, the UPC, estimated monthly units, the number of sellers on a listing. You can enter in your targeted ROI to give you your max cost. There's also hyperlinks for Amazon listings and Google search for the product in question. You have your product specs like the price, the dimensions, the weight. Over in the unit manufacturing cost, you simply just enter your buy cost or your cost of goods. And then you'll get other data specs like the Walmart fulfillment seller fee, estimated time in storage. So if something's going to be in storage for a long time or a certain amount of time, you can enter that. Storage fees as related to the time in storage, product category, referral fee, and other associated fees. You will get your net cost, your margin, and your ROI. Of course, this is just a test video, so these are just test numbers. And you should be all set. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you, and if you can, please like, comment, and subscribe. I truly appreciate it, and I look forward to connecting with you guys. Until later.